Hey everyone, Arif here from On Microsoft. I've been a long time Xbox gamer, but I've also been in love with my Nintendo Switch. Well, a new game streaming service from Microsoft could very well change that and my gaming habits. In fact, it already has for the past couple days. Nintendo Switch out, Project xCloud in. xCloud is a little bit like Google's Stadia. It's Microsoft's new streaming service and it's currently in beta testing. I was one of the lucky few that were selected to test it, and I just want to talk a little bit more about my experience. So the center of xCloud is this app called Xbox Game Streaming Preview. It's currently only working on Android phones with Android 6 or higher for now, and you also need to use a Bluetooth Xbox controller with it. There's a few sections to the app. Home tab lists all the games, a feedback tab lets you send feedback to Microsoft, and a section with your gamer tag lets you control some settings in the app, and if you want to use cellular data with your xCloud or not. But anyway, to play xCloud, you need to pair your Xbox controller to your phone, select a game from the app here, and it'll load through the internet from Microsoft servers on stream to your phone. The wait time is quite long, around 1 minute for each game. Overall though, once a game is loaded, the quality isn't too bad. If you have a speedy 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection like I do at home, there's no real input lag or freezing or dropped frames. I played F1 2019 and Shadow of the Tomb Raider, and it felt like I was playing on Xbox. Anyway, the real strength of xCloud is this console streaming feature. You need to be an Xbox insider to use it, but you'll be able to stream your Xbox console to your Android phone from anywhere in the world. It's quite cool, and I played some games like NASCAR Heat 4, which aren't available on the xCloud service. You essentially have remote access to your Xbox when on the go, and but your console needs to be in instant on mode for it to work. To me, it's the best part of the experience. At the end of the day, I think this is quite cool, as you can experience Xbox on the go. It's kind of like having a Nintendo Switch, or kind of like having an Xbox in your pocket. I really like it, and I look forward to the final rollout. And thanks for watching.